welcome back to the channel everyone. It's Kurt here. I'm not a mechanic, but I'll just start the channel with a lovely bit of a shorter down video today. My dream car has been sold, unfortunately. So yeah, you may have noticed from I guess some of the lack of the K Swap videos that parts haven't really been coming in, money's not really been there. Been struggling with yeah, increase in bills, everything like that, as I'm sure you all have. So unfortunately, had to make the decision to sell the Skyline. So yeah, so it's I'll keep it short, but it's actually going to America. So I think it's going to be being exported in the next couple of weeks. So yeah, the deal's been done for a month or so now, and yeah, it's just been sitting here awaiting collection. So today I'm going to give it its final clean, give it a nice wax, spend a bit of time with it. Yeah, I've gotten over the fact now. I've gotten over it. I was not a nice person to be around for a week or so, but yeah, I've gotten over it now. More things in life, you know, we've got to look after family, we've got to look, bills come first, you know, everything like that, a roof over the head, everything like that. We have to be fortunate that I've still got the K Swap. So yeah, so I'm going to focus on the K Swap, and yeah, I just wanted to let everyone know, because I did actually make a video on this twice, so I've got 2 videos somewhere, but yeah, I don't know when they're going to come, so I just thought I'd do this one as well. It might be a 2-part video. I might do one video and then make the other one and then just release it together, because I might do a video of it driving away as well, but I don't know if I'll film that. I might do, I don't know. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you all, hope everyone's doing okay. It's an absolute gorgeous day today. I think it's about 25, 26 degrees. So yeah, wish me luck cleaning it. You'll probably see me at some point crying, so we'll see in a bit. So this garage we stood in now, I carpeted for the Skyline. So yeah, as you can see, all nice carpet down and everything like that. I've even got some styrofoam boards at the back. So yeah, so when the K Swap is done, it's going to be coming here. Obviously it's at my dad's at the moment because he's got a much bigger garage. So yeah, when that's built, it'll come in here, which is going to feel tiny in this garage compared to the Skyline. So yeah, so I think it's time to get cleaning, have the final wash on the Skyline. I know the new owner's going to look after it, I know that much, and at least I'm not going to have to see it at shows multiple times throughout the year because it's going to Texas. So yeah, let's get cracking, shall we? I'm hoping you can hear me nice and clear because I'm using a new mic. So yeah, so the car is now cleaned, or washed should I say, so I'm just about to give it a wax now the sun's gone in. As you can see, absolutely beautiful evening. I think it's about 7 to 7 at the minute. So yeah, we're it's nice and clean, got a nice reflection. So yeah, I'm just going to spend a couple of hours now giving it its final wax, and yeah, we'll check back in a minute. God, just look how nice it is. Oh, so nice, isn't it? You'll have to excuse if I cough every now and again as well. I've not been very well this week. It's not COVID, which is positive. Oh well, negative test, which is good. But yeah, I've got a little bit of a cough at the minute, so if I sound a little bit quiet. So I've got it waxed up now, and I wanted to show you in the in this sort of evening daylight, because obviously it just shows it a lot better. So it's day 2 of the clean. We're going to get the glass done today, take it out for a drive, and yeah, it's another absolute scorcher today. So yeah, so I think we'll get this clean now. Well, it's already cleaned, had a wax last night. We'll get the glass cleaned, and yeah, get the interior all hoovered out and cleaned and everything. So it's looking real nice and clean. Nice reflections. You're probably not going to be able to tell on here, but there's just so much like metallic flake in this paint. Just, yeah, such a nice paintwork on this car. Super smooth, real nice. And one thing as well that just sort of shows how well the car's kept, I guess, is all the wheels. The only mark that's on the wheels is this one mark here. None of them are curbed, except from this mark here, which I think is just paint flake. So yeah, and the calipers as well. The calipers have, I don't know if they've been refurbished in the 25 years, but they just look absolutely perfect. Real nice condition brake calipers, the wheels super nice and clean, shiny. So yeah, it's going to be real sad to see her go. Me and the fiance are going to take her out for a drive and then stick her back in the garage until she gets collected. So yeah, it's to show you the engine, even though we've all looked at it a couple of times. Here the old RB. Absolutely love this engine. It's so quiet. The noisiest thing about this engine is the fan. Super quiet engine. So the day has come. The day has come for the Skyline to go. I think it's going to be collected in about 15-20 minutes, so I'm just going to pull it out of the garage for the very last time. Not in a very good mood today, as you can probably imagine. So yeah, I'm going to pull it out of the garage, and then I'm going to hopefully film it getting put onto the transport as well. And yeah, we'll try and get some pictures or at least some video of it driving away. Just a little look at the engine again in the sunlight, absolutely gleaming away. Really going to miss this car. Yep, absolute shiner. Off to Texas you go. So the car's all loaded up now. Yeah, really smooth process of getting it loaded up. So yeah, it's going to be going to Southampton, and that's it. So the car is now gone. Just probably seen some footage of it being loaded up. Let's pick up my camera. So yeah, it's a really nice guy. The loader was called Dan. He's had a load of JDM stuff before, Skylines, RX-7s. So that made the whole thing a lot easier. Speaking to someone who had a common interest, speaking about the car. I was just expecting some randoms to come and pick it up. So yeah, it was nice to have a chat. Made it a little bit easier. But yeah, the car is now gone, so bit of a sad end to the video, but we all knew it was coming. So yeah, thank you to anyone who's watched this video. We'll catch you next time, hopefully with some exciting K Swap stuff. Take it easy.